The pain started out of nowhere, a slow burn behind the knees, a strange pulsing ache in the ankles after walking just a few blocks. At first, people write it off. Getting old, they say. It is normal. But then it gets worse. The stairs feel like punishment. The knees crack every morning. And the swelling? That is the part that freaks people out. But what most people do not realize is that what is breaking down is not just age. It is collagen. And the good news? You can actually rebuild it. Without pills, without surgery. But to understand how, we have to start with something hidden in your breakfast. Most people eat eggs. Few know they are sitting on a gold mine. Not the white, the yolk. While influencers preach egg whites for lean protein, the real magic is in the yolk. That is where the sulfur lives, the biotin, the vitamin D, all the cofactors your body needs to create collagen from scratch. In one trial, adults who added whole eggs to their diet 5 days a week reported less joint pain and inflammation. The best results were in older participants. But that is just one layer, because the deeper we go, the more hidden weapons we find. Like a tiny seed that packs a punch no one expects. Number 1, pumpkin seeds. They are easy to ignore. They are not trendy. No influencers are blending them into neon smoothies. But inside those little seeds is a trio of minerals that are critical for collagen: zinc, magnesium, and manganese. Think of them like the workers on a construction site. No matter how much raw material you have, if the workers do not show up, nothing gets built. People who added pumpkin seeds to their diet daily noticed better joint flexibility and less swelling in their feet and ankles. Just a quarter cup per day was enough to notice change over time. But what happens when you need not just the workers and the tools, but actual raw collagen ready to be used? For that, we go to the ocean. Specifically, to a fish most people walk past in the grocery aisle. Number 2, sardines. They are not glamorous. They do not smell great. But sardines come with something few other foods do: edible bones and skin. That is where the collagen lives. People who added sardines to their meals 3 times a week reported less joint stiffness and easier walking. The skin contains elastin and omega-3s. The bones provide type 1 collagen. And the best part? No prep needed. If sardines sound too intense, there is a gentler, more familiar option that also comes in a can. Number 3, bone-in salmon, especially canned wild-caught salmon. It delivers collagen, calcium, and omega-3s in one shot. The bones are soft from the canning process and mix right into the meat. No bones to chew. Just scoop, mix, eat. Add it to grain bowls, salads, or toast, and you are feeding your joints without even thinking about it. But most people chasing joint relief forget one key detail. Collagen is not just something you eat, it is something your body has to build. And that brings us to something most people have been told to avoid. Number 4, chicken skin. For years, people were told to peel it off. Too fatty, too greasy, too unhealthy. But underneath that layer is one of the richest sources of type 2 collagen, the kind your joints and cartilage are made from. Slow roasted, simmered in broth, or eaten off the bone, chicken skin is a powerful and affordable way to target the joints that hurt the most. But even if you eat the right foods, your body still needs the tools to turn it into usable collagen. That is where the next group of foods comes in. They are not sources of collagen themselves, but without them, the process does not work. 5. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. They all contain vitamin C, and vitamin C is essential to collagen production. Your body does not make it. It does not store it. You have to eat it. A cup of strawberries gives you your entire day's vitamin C requirement. Add berries to smoothies, oatmeal, or just snack on them. They are simple and powerful. 6. Broccoli. Another easy win. Just 1 cup of raw or cooked broccoli delivers nearly your daily vitamin C needs. Broccoli also contains compounds that reduce inflammation and support joint function. When you combine broccoli with collagen-rich foods, you are not just stacking nutrients. You are creating the perfect conditions for your body to do what it is designed to do. But there is one more piece of the puzzle that is even less known. 7. Aloe vera. Not the kind you rub on sunburns, the kind you drink. In some cultures, aloe is consumed regularly for its healing properties. It has been linked to better hydration, improved skin elasticity, and stronger collagen networks beneath the surface. A small clinical study found that oral aloe vera increased the amount of collagen in the skin's middle layer. Researchers believe it could have similar benefits in connective tissues around the joints. Now that you know what to add, here is what to cut. Too much sugar breaks down collagen faster than your body can rebuild it. It triggers inflammation and weakens connective tissue. Same with deep-fried foods, especially fried meats. When fats oxidize, they damage the proteins and nutrients your joints are depending on. And watch the alcohol, not just for liver health, but for joint health. In large amounts, it slows down your body's ability to make and repair collagen. So what does all this mean? It means that the stiffness, the aches, the swelling that shows up when you are just trying to live your life is not a mystery. It is collagen loss, and it is not permanent. You can rebuild what has worn down, and you can do it with the mentioned food. Over time, the stiffness softens, the swelling fades, movement feels natural again. The body is always trying to heal. You just have to give it the right fuel. For more of Nana's natural cures, watch the next video.